Before Monday market open, Trump is ready with new war news. Now USA is attacking Iran nuclear site. So this is latest and new news, and condition is same to same like last week. Before Monday open, war news. And again, Fed speech. There will be two Fed speech this week. I'm saying it like mini FOMC meeting, because almost all FOMC members will say something from beginning to end. There will be so much Fed speak, so you will get direct review from almost all FOMC member how they see this new war news. This is before Monday market open, and who knows, more war news come before Friday, and this is happening before GDP and PCE news this week. So same to same like last week, $78 big static resistance. If war is real, then it must show on oil chart. If level breakout, next big resistance 93. But you can see after 78, no resistance before 93. So more oil fly, that's mean more inflation problem, that's mean more hawkish Fed. So let's see what happened this week. But big static resistance. But last week total opposite. Everyone was expecting gold will break out. Gold did total opposite, and almost everyone in shock. So this is new war news. Let's see what happened this week. But compared to previous week and this week, before Monday open, this time gold is much lower than last time. So if it spike, then before total range breakout, gold have more room compared to last time. But still I will recommend you watch carefully oil chart. 78, the next resistance 93. And this was your Russia war news, oil spike. And this is June month, last week. If oil price close high, then it will feed into CPI number. So if their goal is to make highest possible price before June closing, then we have to wait entire week, Monday to Friday. But oil price directly affects CPI all the time. And if you want entire politics hidden behind this war news, then I think this is a great book on stagflation written by ex-FOMC member. 50 years ago, 1970s, or you can say stagflation, same to same what Fed said in recent FOMC speech. During that time there was war, because of that there was oil shock, because of that there was higher inflation and ultimately higher interest rate. So they are repeating same strategy once again, using war, using oil price as an excuse to hide their stagflation problem. Everyone will avoid saying anything direct, but everything inside this book, there is a big relation 50 years ago between oil price, between inflation and Fed FOMC decision. Because same like old days, we are now saying that there was oil shock, there was war with oil country which lead to inflation. Same thing, even if you use AI or read any book, same thing they say about COVID-19 oil shock, that it was Russia war, oil spike, inflation came. Same thing they will say again for year 2025, when history will judge what was the reason behind stagflation. Then easily they will say it was Trump tariff and Iran war. But nobody will say that was a big 50 basis point premature rate cut in election year. Why Fed? Not tariff and war which lead to inflation. And everyone know, and more confirmed after this latest post from Trump, US is directly involved in this Iran war. Now let's see gold monthly time frame, possible third impulsive wave or C wave closing. June last week, monthly closing is coming. If blue closing come, then it will attract bullish setup. If red closing come this week, that's mean June red candlestick, then it will attract more seller for entire July month. So closing price candlestick color will affect technical setup. Same like market is going mad about this war news. So based on Elliott wave theory, fib projection 3279. Let's see where candlestick close. But we only know 3279 is our resistance level. Daily static resistance, 3 failure, 3 time weak news. Important from FOMC. Fed was saying in April month his tone changed on tariff. Same April month gold started new sideways range. Then May and June FOMC meeting, officially they are going aggressive against stagflation. So condition is same to same like last week. Before Monday open we have war news. Technically it can spike. There can be market manipulation, can trap all wire. Last week everyone was in shock. But for me it is very hard for gold to stay above 3430 because Fed is now fighting against stagflation. Before this lower trend line, big dynamic support. Watch carefully this new parallel channel. If it spike on new war news, then upper trend line test, start selling and do not take profit before lower trend line retest. Once lower trend line break down, wait for retest. On retest you can start selling and then you will target retest of this big lower trend line. But technically as long as price trading above this lower trend line, it is bullish. Last week there were 2 daily candlestick retest, both rejection. Maybe that ending down spike last Friday they knew before Iran war attack, so they bought in advance. If that is the condition, be careful, this can be buy the rumor, sell the news. If it spike, then 3378 first resistance and next one can be 3400 area. So first let's see Monday market reaction. If oil gap up, fly more, and how gold react to this war news, because this time USA directly attacking Iran to clear static resistance level. Just wait for Monday market open. For timing, I think till London open, that is enough. You will get market reaction. But best if you wait till New York open, I think everyone will have crystal clear answer for this market reaction to this new war news. Let's see before London open this Monday how high gold goes up, and these are 2 possible resistance. But by the time a New York open start, we should be looking for selling. If you ignore war news, so many Fed speak this week. Final tone from entire FOMC, combined message from all FOMC member combined, they all hawkish. They can cut next month, which Waller said last week, but it's all about stagflation. All of them are aggressive and fighting against stagflation.